I read your comments here on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. I try to reply and check all the songs. And if I like the solo, I put it in the project folder or in my to-do list. Like today's solo is a comment or request in one of my Facebook posts. And after checking it, I found out that I grew up listening to this song. And the solo is awesome, really melodic, and serves the song well. So continue commenting those requests. Hit the like button to support the channel. Consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed yet. And again, thank you to all your support. Thank you to all my patrons. Best regards. Enjoy the video and rock on.